In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Outlook Mail on PC. By the end, you'll be signed in and looking at your inbox with confidence. All you need is a PC with an internet connection, a modern web browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, and the sign-in details for your Microsoft account. If you use extra security on your account, keep your phone or security key nearby as well. Start by opening your preferred browser and navigating to Outlook.com. You can type Outlook.com directly into the address bar and press enter. Make sure you're on the official Microsoft site. You should see a secure connection indicator in the address bar. If your organization uses Outlook through Microsoft 365, the same page will still route you to the correct sign-in experience. Once the page loads, look to the top right and select Sign In. If you've signed in recently on this browser, Outlook may take you straight to your inbox or ask you to pick from a list of accounts. If that happens, just choose the correct account and continue. Next, enter the email address associated with your Outlook or Microsoft account, then continue to the password screen and type your password carefully. Double check for extra spaces and make sure caps lock isn't on. If you have both a personal Microsoft account and a work or school account with the same address, the page may ask which one you want to use. Simply choose the appropriate option so you land in the right mailbox. If your account has two-factor authentication turned on, you'll be prompted to verify your identity. Approve the notification in your Authenticator app, enter the one-time code you receive by text or email, or use your security key if that's how you've set things up. This extra step helps keep your mailbox secure, so only approve prompts you expect and never share verification codes with anyone. After the verification completes, you'll land in your Outlook inbox. On the left, you'll see your folders like Inbox, Drafts, and Sent items. In the center is your message list, and the reading pane shows the selected email. If you were already signed in, your messages might appear instantly without additional prompts. If something doesn't look right, a quick page refresh can help. And if the sign-in page looks unfamiliar, check the web address before entering any details to ensure you're on the official site. That's it. Open your browser, go to Outlook.com, sign in, complete any verification, and your mail is ready. Thanks for watching and enjoy your inbox.